Hi guys, my name is Yaagnya Ranjith from grade 3, Bhavan's Voice Indian Academy, Ajman. In today's video, I'm going to do an interesting and super awesome and mind-blowing project in Scratch that is animating my name. Sounds interesting, right? Then let's go right into it. So then, right here, you will see the Scratch project right here. And then when you see the scratch project, it's just blank because we're going to start right now. But but I must show you how it works. So this is how it works actually. And now I'll just press this flag right here that is showing green and a green flag tell, and then when you press it, it will tell go. So then when you just press it, okay, it will stop in 10 seconds. But that's I'll tell you how it works. So first we'll go to our scratch project right here. Okay, then we had to start. So first when you go here, you'll see a cat right here. And if you want to delete it, you just there'll be a box right here and there'll be a delete box. You just press that, it will just go away. And I told you to do like that because we don't need the cat because we're going to animate our name. So we're just going to go here that is telling choose your sprite right here, and then when you press here, you can see all these things and then press letter in the tabs place. Letters, not animals or anything like that, only letters. Okay, now there are our letters and also in different fonts. And I'm going to pick this font because this font will get better because others will make the space go. So I'm taking this one. If your name is little bit lower letters, then you can take this big ones. But I'm gonna because my name is a long one because Yaagnya. That why I'm gonna do like that. So A G N Y and then A. Okay, now we have all our letters and it's like a curved line because my name is a big one. That way I put like this. So then it will get like a design, like very beautiful. Okay, now it must not be like this. It must have some what I call it must have some things doing it. It must just not be our names. It must do something like that, like that, like that. So what we do is just when you go in the first one of your what go to your letter, the first letter in your name right here, and then story why that's for me. Then you go there and then you'll see these blocks and then also chord, costumes and sound in the top. Chord, costume and sound. You have to press these costumes. Now costumes you have all of these colors and white. So there are three Ys and with different colors. So these all that's okay. Now you duplicate it. Duplicate means you'll make it again so then you can do something else again. Like you want to like you can scan something. Like it's almost like scan but in the computer. Okay, now these three colors can be in the same, but then the other colors you can just change it. And then how to change the color is just go here that will show fill option with a bucket and something dripping. Press that and then you can pick any color. It will show fill right here under costume and story Y -4, and then pick any color you like. I'm going to pick pink because pink is my favorite. And then the other one I will put as green. Okay. And if you like to put bright colors, you can do that also. Okay, now we're done with all of them. We are now going to do the next one, coloring. First, we'll take the second one, that's the golden one. And then you'll see this arrow one that we're using now. Press it. And then now we're just going to pull it right here in like a box in the white. Now you just make it small because something magic will happen in the end. So we're just going to make it small. I have to make it very small for the last one. That means this is the last one. I'm telling this is the fourth one is the last one because fifth one must be big only. So I'm just going to make it very small and then tada, see in different sizes. And everyone don't rub it. Okay. Okay, now go to A and then let's do it again. Okay, so I'm almost done. I'm in the A, the last A in my letter. And I'm gonna change the color. I hope you saw my other one. Okay, so you can put in any color I told you, okay? Okay, now we're done with that. We're gonna make it small and big. Okay, now it's like that. We have to go start decoding. So decoding we're gonna do is we're gonna go for our first letter. That's my Y. Not gonna do the costumes. We're gonna do the coding. So we go. So you will see all these blocks right here that is in circle, and it will written in motion, looks, sounds, and like that. But we have to press the yellow one that shows events. So now let's press this one. This is a control. Sorry. Okay. So now you take this when flag clicked right here, right here. See, you take it right here. Okay. Now when you do that, you have to take a repeat block, and a repeat block will come in controls right here, and it's a orange color. So you take a repeat. Wait a second. Yes, you don't take a for repeat block. You take a forever block, not a repeat block. Okay. And when you take the forever block in controls, the first block that is wait 1 second, take that and put it in between of forever, and then wait 1 second is enough. Okay, then you do is I'm actually in wait. It's not 1 second. You can actually it's actually 1 second, but then you know this correct 0.7. Yes, we have to do like that. Okay, 0.7 we have to do and then like that. Okay, now we did like that. We have to go where to go in looks right here, and then you will find a next costume. Next costume right here. Press this next costume. Okay, now drag it to this place. Okay, now next costume we don't need to change anything or like that. Now you will find motions that is like a light blue, like a dark blue or light blue. You can go. I actually it's a dark blue in Among Us. So we'll go to the dark blue place, and then you will find turn and then there'll be a arrow mark to this side, and then 15 degrees. So then we'll take which side we wanted to go. So I'm going to take the last one, down one. Now the number must be 20. The number must be 20. Okay. Now I'm not going to press this again, but see, it will show like this. It will go like that, like that, like that, like that. So now we have to do this in everyone. So go to the A and let's do it. Events, event flag clicked, control, forever, wait, 0.1, and then looks, then next costume, then go to motions, then you'll find turn block, and take that, put 20 inside. Now go to the next one, go to the next one. See, it's going like this. Okay, now we are in the G. Let's do it again. Events, controls, forever, wait block. It is 0.1. And then go to looks, next costume, and then go to motions, and then turn that degrees. That's 20 degrees. Wait a second. We'll go to there. Make this one small because it's feeling the same age. Now that. Okay, now let's see. See. I missed the A. Events. When flag clicked. Control. Wait. I'm not wait. Forever block. And then we take wait. And then 0.1. And then we'll go in looks and then take next costume. And after we take the next costume, we'll go to motions, and then motions will turn that degrees. That is 20 degrees. Now do that for the N. Okay, now N, and right here, and everyone don't delete it. Sometimes you'll delete it, so don't delete it. Now even, then go to control, forever block, wait block. I hope you're getting this part, because this part is very easy. So 0.1, and then go to looks, and then you'll find next costume, put that next costume inside here, and then you will go to motions, and then you'll take turn that degrees, 20 degrees. Okay, now we're done with N. Let's just start at N. Y we'll also do it, and for Y and A I'll pause the video and then you can do it, and then you can pause the video and then you can do it also. Okay, so you can just pause the video. or I'll pause. Okay. Okay, now I'm done. So you can see there's a party going right here. I'll stop this party. Everyone, stop! How would I stop it? Because I just press this red button. But we don't need to do that when we finish this. Okay, now you saw a rocket ship coming, correct? So then let's go to choose a sprite and then let's find a rocket ship. You can type also from here rocket. Yes, see rocket ship. Okay, and there's this rocket ship, but it must not come like that. It must come like this, not like this or like this. It must come like this, but it is in a wrong position. So what we have to do is take when flag clicked, hide, point in direction, go to XY block. Okay, so these are the first four things we have to take. Go here, events, looks. Okay, we'll go to events and take when flag clicked, and then go to looks and you'll find show and hide. Take hide, and then after you take hide, you go to motions and take point in direction and go to XY block. Now these both are same. Actually, yeah. So the number is 290. Before 290, we had to put a minus, and then 83. Okay, 80. Okay, 70. Okay, so it's not 83, it's gonna be 70. And 70 doesn't need a minus. Okay, now we did that. Now we have to take. Go to variables, that is this dark orange, right here, and then put right here, right, time, time, okay, and then when you put time, it will show right here time, and then and then in variables you will see set my variable to 0. So take that, and then it will show you can pick some option. The arrow will be there. It will tell my variable time, rename a variable, delete the my variable. So what you have to take is time right here, and then we of course needed it 0. Now go to the control, and then you'll find repeat, but it's not repeat 10, it is repeat until, and there'll be like a shape like this. Okay, now you have a repeat until you take um operators, and then you'll find like dash equal 50. Take that dash equal 50, and then you put it inside right here. And then here, what you put is go to variables, you'll find time, drag it, and then put it inside right here. And then time equals not 50, 10 seconds. Okay, now it will be like that. Now it will show right here. See, time 0. Okay. Now in this repeat until blocks, we are going to put as many things. We are going to take as go to go to screen rules and wait for 5 seconds. 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 Wait for seconds. Okay, we gotta wait for 5 seconds, and then we'll go to looks and then take show show and then we'll take brought, brought, where's that brought? Okay, but before we put the next one, we'll just stop this. Okay, we'll go to sounds in the costume and sounds and code. We'll go to sounds, and then there'll be a sound right here. You delete this. Okay, now there's nothing with doing like this actually. What we have to do is go to, okay, so you'll find many like that sounds, but we don't need this sounds. The sounds we need are, go right here in down place, that will tell choose a sound. Go here, and then there will be many sounds. So there may be many sounds. What we need is, what we need is right here. It will show that is we need is space sound. Okay, space. Space. That's not what we need. We need is this now. Okay, we need this and don't need this, or this, or this, or this. We need only space for fly, and we need is dance, dance, dance magic. And it's just oh, so that was cool. Okay, so we need is the space sound. So the space sound was here. Go here, go here, and go. And then, yeah, the songs we need are, okay. And then another song we need is dance. Okay. Okay. Now go to chord, and then you have to go to events. Events you'll find broadcast message, and you just take that. Okay. And then there'll be a message one, and then the new message will make it as space, space, sound, sound, space, sound. Okay, we wrote like that in there. And now we go to motions. Take the glide box. That's motions. Where are you motions? Okay, glide box that's right here, that will say glide 1 second to x and y. Okay, so the time will be same. Okay, where is the number is 270. Okay, okay, so minus is not needed, and then 7. Okay, 2. Okay, now when you do that, we'll go to looks. Wait a second, everyone. Don't forget. Okay, so let's just go and right into it. Okay, so here is it. So we have to go to the height, go to XY block and change time by 5 inside the repeat block, only this, and then under the repeat block we'll take switch background to party 2 and stop board. So before we do that, we'll put the background. The background will show right here that choose a backdrop. Then we'll choose any backdrop you like. I'm going to pick is this space. Oopsie, but my letters are not C because the letters are so so. Go to backdrops, delete this and delete. Okay, now go to backdrops. There'll be a birthday party. Yes, a party like this, and then you have all the letters. And then when you go in backdrops, the place where the costumes are, you'll find. Wait a second. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this as 2 times. Okay, this one is of course okay, and then in this one I'm going to write something in this text. Okay, so that is it is awesome. Oh, it. Okay, and the other one this can be the same. Okay, now we'll go here, and then we'll take the high block. Okay, high block will go, and then we'll go to motions right here, and then we'll take go to XY block. That's right here. Okay, and then what you do is write the numbers that we wrote already before. That was the first one. That was that was. Uh, uh, okay, and then 70, 70, 70. Okay, okay. Now we're done with that. Now what to do is go to variables and then change my variable by dash 1, and then we'll take as 5, 5, 5, and also my variables will take it as time. Okay, now that you have to also put inside, and then after we put it inside, go to looks, switch backdrop to party 2 that you put under it, and then put party 2, and then press stop all. That stop all is in control. That's so the stop all will be right here. You put it under, and then done. Now with this one, and then we have to put this, that is when flag click. Okay, okay, when. Okay. So I hope you see that this is the one we had to do. Okay, right here, when forever, wait 1 second, and cost new next costume, and then forever we also use only this, and then last we are finished, and then we do the with the background, I think, and the background will do I will do that but very fast. Okay, but now this on the one in rocket ship, the small one, you have to do it by yourself because you know how to do it. So you can just pause the video. Okay, everyone, we're done with that now. I think you're done with that now. Okay, okay. Wait. Okay, I think you're done with that now. Now we had to go to the broth. What do you call? We had to go to the backdrop and then do, and then in the backdrop we had to do only little like here. Okay, so then you can just see this, and then you can just put it in your laptop, and then tada. Okay, so I'll give you some time to look. I hope you look. You can just pause the video before. Okay. Okay, everyone, I think you all finished it. And also, now I'll just show you how it works in the end. Now, I finished in the backdrop, that is this whole thing right here. I hope you did this all. And then when I press the flag, it will show like this. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.